Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension Manipur University na sinduna Learning Beyond Alphabet Challenges and Prospects in NEP 2020 Haiba Hiramda Nimit-ninit chupna chathagadaba National Seminar ngasidagi MU gi Court Hallda Houdokhre ngasi pangthokhiba thoramaduda Department adugi Assistant Professor Thingbaijam Sarmilana phongdokhibada pangthokliba seminar asina superpower oinaba pandamda Indiana kanna hotnabaga loinana Skill lifelong learning gi maikaida changsil laktuna India da iba paba haitabasing mapung fana mayek chathannaba paikhatliba thabak thoramaduda seminar asina chauna sumateng oigani National Education Policy 2020 nasu adult education skill development amadi lifelong learning gi lamda akanba mityeng thamduna English ngani nifu taret faubada Viksit Bharat ki manglan mangfauna na ba hotnarakpa asidasu Manipur na khumang yaw na changsin na ba pandamda seminar asi pangthokpani haiki India government na adult education program gi matangda thabak thoram kaya paikhatuna lakli adubu maduda henna kupthana makhatana kari thabak paikhatpa mathau tai kari tawgani haibana chingba kaya gi matangdasu khananai nabaga loinana idea singsu share tawnabagi khudong chaba adu piri tongan ba participant chamarom henbana saruk yaduna paper presentation su tawgani loinana pangthokliba seminar asi NEP 2020 lakraba matungda ahanba oina pangthokpa seminar oigani masi Indian Council of Social Science Research ICSSR amadi Northeastern Regional Center NERC Silongna sponsor tawbani haiki thoramaduda MU gi Vice Chancellor N Lokendra School of Education MU gi Din Maisnam Premlata Department of Education Guwahati University gi Professor Dulumoni Goswami Amadi, Adult Continuing Education and Extension Department MUG HOD Lamalu Thaimeisu Sarukyaki.